I don't know why you always want me to meet you somewhere. Up in the morning, let me know. Me go break down the song I'm telling you. Now the girl them always want, you know the girl them want to see you know, but they don't want to come in here. Then when you meet them half a tree, when you meet them down at town, then when you meet them at popping. I relate to people from Jamaica. But hear me I say, they don't want to come in your yard. Don't know why. What's up YouTube? It's your boy Ty here, Tyrekevlogs, and I am back with another video. But before the video begins, guys, I want to say a huge shout out to everybody right there. So. Boom bang bang. First and foremost, I want to say shout out to everybody who comment on my videos. Big up on yourself. If you ever saw the name, Courageous K take over right here, so subscribe to our channel, people. Lit YouTube a beauty. Jata Tingling, big up yourself. Kareem come back. Romy and Sham, big up yourself. Omari, people, big up yourself. Big up yourself, Michelle. Big up on yourself. One Press, Fully Gaza, big up yourself. Paradise Biker, big up yourself, bro. God. People go check him out. Sports, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Everybody big up on yourself. And thanks to everybody who subscribe to the channel, who watch the Addy review them. And right now we're about to review to our next, not to review, we're about to break down and find the best song. Anyway, so I'm gonna say this. Big up on yourself, people. Everybody who come after the Addy album, tell them big up yourself. Well on there for the sound and name. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself, people. It's been a boy Tyrekejt. Get straight to the video. Smash the like button. Subscribe. 10K subscribers we are going for right now, people. 10K. Now, all on the big up on yourself. Thanks for supporting the channel. And let's get 10,000 subscribers. That's the goal. That's the aim for this year. I understand. I know I'm going to reach more than that for this year. But I know I can reach it within short space of time. All the Gaza fans, big up on yourself. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Thanks for come check out the boy channel. If you're all new, subscribe, press the like button. Now what we're going to do today is, y'all know I like reacting to music videos. Music videos is what I started, but you know, free sponsorship in a man video. Hold on there. Music videos is what I like reacting to. Music videos is my thing, isn't it? But the music video not really drop right now. And all the albums still about up roads. You know what I say? I'm going to bag a thing for iTunes and Spotify all over the world, in Canada, US, everywhere. You see me? But me, I'm about to see, like, break down my favorite song. I'm about to react and review my favorite song on the album. But everybody's favorite song is Rocket to the Moon. Make me hear what I'm going. Rocket to the Moon. Alright, so this is everybody's favorite song on the album. Not really everybody. Like, most of the comments on my video said this was their favorite song. Rocket to the Moon. Look, don't get me wrong. Rocket to the Moon. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong, people. The song, bad. I like the song. But you all know, say, In the Moment is my favorite song. But I give this a little listen. And then we go break down In the Moment. We can understand what really are going on in the moment. But go through. Go through. Light. Supersonic interstellar flight. Out of sight. Even though you broke me heart like a CD. You know what them girls like. Yo, so they can relate to song, you feel it more. Maybe that's something like In the Moment, so because the way I say, broke my heart like a CD. You must have this girl in high school, you know, dog. John must start a bag of shit, boy, you know, dog. John must start. But in high school, we are chopper. Yeah. It's alright. You mean? And she look at me, you know, brother. And so me, I do like, you know, for YouTube, I'm going up road. People, let's get me to 10K subscribers. I know how much time I'm going to say it in another video, but you understand. This is what I want to reach for the goal. That's the goal. I set that goal for the year. You see me? I'm going to beat it, then. But got you. Yeah. Messenger. I tell you, man, them guys, if you see them can give man some big old Panadol pill and some big Cetamal and some big Advil. I want to them. Anyway, so we got to my favorite song on the track, In the Moment. Yeah, I'm telling you, no. I'm telling you, say In the Moment that's my favorite, you know. But you'll never believe me, you know. Right now. Tyrekejt, yeah. Feed the girl, damn, yeah. Yeah, me know. Hey. 10K, boss. You have to remix it sometime, and they world know say you can't freestyle too. No? But anyways, got you. Smash the like button if you don't like the video yet. And I'll rate in the moment. Me say if you're not going to relate and see where me I come from. Remember, I'm going to break it down and make it show how relatable maybe to the song. I like that song so much, you know. From I review the full album until now, I have this song on repeat. So you must understand how much me like that song. Go through. Tyrekejt, yeah. Feed the girl, them, yeah. And next thing though, like, hold on. We don't know reason why we paused it. But anyways, the next reason though, like, it's a girl song that, you see me? And my favorite song. That why? That weird. That weird. That weird. Anyway, got you. World boss, yeah. Oh. I don't know why you always want me to meet you somewhere. Wake up in the morning. Let me know. Me I go break down the song I'm telling you. Now the girl them always want. You know the girl want to see you know, but they don't want to come here yet. Then when you meet them half a tree. Then when you meet them down at town. Then when you meet them popping. I relate to people from Jamaica. Well, hear me I say, they don't want to come here yard. Because you know say man get body here. Body here. But me I say, they don't want to come here yard. The ones when you meet them somewhere other than your yard, they don't want to forward in your yard. Or they want to meet the back or something. They don't want to, they don't want nobody to see what go on. If you was a man, go through. I gotta get up in the morning. Why can't we just live in the moment? Now you just sharing. I was rolling. I don't know why you always wanted to meet you somewhere. Yo. We can't understand. We can't emphasize it. Yo, that song hard in a dog. Yo, me play that song from when the album dropped 2-3 days ago. I'm still playing that song right now, dog. Yo, why can't we just live in the moment? Now you just sharing. I wasn't rolling. Hey, me know. That part, wait, the part that will come in now. That part I really can't relate. I'm telling you, I'm going to break that song right down, you know. Because my favorite song from the album, you know. You see me? Retro, ready. I'm rock it to the moon for the see why I like that song so much. Ready. Listen to the man now, you know. Teacher, run it. I like the money where me spend for you. Then you want to treat me like a fool. Wagwan. Imagine now, I used to, like, I relate to it, you know, that I went to high school and I have this girl, I think high school, from primary school in the dog. I'm there with this girl in the dog. Yo. You see some lunch money, my lunch money, buy fair lunch in the dog, and you know, see what me I come from now? Like, any girl used to have to spend money on them. You see me, I say, all me not have it. And now, she act like a you hear the song? Hold on, listen to the man, listen to what the man say. Listen. Treat me like a fool. Hold on. Come back. Ready? Like the money where me spend on you. Then you want to treat me like a fool. Wagwan. Real youth, sashi suit. Oh, you very well. Be a girl that run me down, me lock it like a. You see that? No. When you see how things that type shit, so every time you say me can't relate to the song, no. I'm not there yard no more, no. And guess what? I love yard man up here. What you? We tell you that. We tell. You see how me can relate to that song now. What you? Man, they used to cheat on me. I love you too much to love my friend. Yeah. First I did want my friend zone, man, and thing. And now I said, it's alright, they must want to for friend. Like, yo, the man them, like, they really, and man them can really overstand where I come from with the dog. Man them can understand what I say, no. I'm sure the Gaza fans them can overstand what I say, no. Yo, like the video from the like the video. I just think that I got you. No one then. She not be there, so why would you let her? That one my mama said she no remember you treated her special. Broke you apart. Yo, I tell you that girl, I introduce my mother, dog. My mother say, yo, I like her energy, you know. I introduce enough girl to my mother, and as a matter of fact, you know. You see me, but it's when they can relate to a song, bro, God. Yo. Go through. That's a rate, that's I get so much. I think people ever talk about, no, rock it to the moon, brother. Listen to that song, dog. You see if it, maybe somehow they never know woman in the life. I not style the Gaza fan, but you have to say. You have to listen to it, dog. And maybe you never strike out when you're younger. You have to listen to the song, dog. Listen to the song, brother. With your heart, the truth is so hard, it's a platinum record. Pray to the gods or the laws or whatever. Nothing to change, to hell with the pain. Never gonna sleep with you ever again. If you don't take me back, this is the end. Mean it this time, stuck in the traffic. What? What? If I know say, he might talk to female man, they might talk to Tenesha, and that's what I say. You see me, I say? But me, I feel sure say, me can relate to the song to in a different form or way. Dog. Song. So much, yo. We need for overs while go on the song. I don't know why. Right now, we need for go to work. I 8 o'clock in the morning, and the video I upload today. This is the consistency there. So get me to 10K subscribers. Every day I try to post something for them. So the music video them drop. And you can start say, yeah, every day again. We're the connect and thing. Got you. Showed me your side, work for yourself like a politician. Now you no more time to build yourself up while you're bringing me down. So your plan get. When you hear that, more to listen over. Politician. Listen over. Now you no more time to build yourself up while you're bringing me down. Typical. Not only me can relate to this. Any man can supposed to relate to this, bro, God. Listen now. In a high school, bam. You get a girl, bam. You're a boy in a high school. Listen me, I say, you're a fashion man. You're image man, as you used to say in a high school. Girl, I trick you, you know. She just want to talk to you because you at, you know. She not influence you for a moment, take up your book and start this and do some work, you know. She alone do the work and waste your time. And she just oppose with you after school and lunchtime. Oh, my man. Stay there, make girl trick you. Turn it. Make girl trick you. Got you. So your plan get. I don't know why you always want me to meet you somewhere. You gotta wake up in the morning. I gotta get up in the morning. Why can't we just live in the moment? Now he's just. Yo, John Star. This song go hard, people. This song go hard. But let me know, like, if this review make y'all enjoy this song more. Let me know if this review change y'all mind about this song. You overs, let me know if my review here make you love this song more. If you understand what I try to say. Because this song bad. But it's been a boy, Tyrekejt, guys. Thank you for checking out my video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Let's get 10,000 subscribers. That's the aim for this year. Going to 10K, guys. This year, I know I'm going to reach more this year because I'm going to go up on a consistency level. I'm going to upload every single day for the year. If I just go live and chat to you, it's been a boy, Tyrekejt, guys. Peace out.